Protein doesn't have to be thick, creamy, or heavy to build muscle. This is Clear Protein Plus, and it changes everything. Most people focus on how much protein they're eating, but muscle doesn't respond to intake alone. It responds to amino acid availability, especially leucine, and how well your body can actually digest and absorb it. That's exactly what Clear Protein Plus was designed to optimize. Clear Protein Plus delivers 20 grams of whey protein isolate, but it's created through an advanced filtration process that concentrates the most muscle-stimulating amino acids. That process yields to 2.5 grams of leucine. That is the clinical threshold needed to trigger muscle protein synthesis. To put that in perspective, that's roughly equivalent to about 4 or 5 eggs, 4 ounces of chicken, 4 ounces of ground beef. However, this is in a light, clear protein that's easy to drink and totally delicious. And here's where most proteins fall short. You are not what you eat. You are what you digest and absorb. Clear Protein Plus includes advanced enzyme technology designed to support more complete protein breakdown. This is going to help release significantly more amino acids compared to clear protein alone. That means better availability of the building blocks your muscles actually use, without heaviness, bloating, or digestive drag. The same filtration process removes lactose completely, making it easy on your stomach and gentle for daily use. We also added methylate B12, the bioavailable form to support cellular energy and just to help you feel fueled, not weighed down. So here's what this looks like in real life. You mix Clear Protein Plus into water. You can add ice or not. It mixes up in like 10 seconds or less. It's light, it's refreshing, it's effortless. As the day goes on, your muscles are gonna feel supported, recovery feels smoother, your energy feels steady, and you're hitting the leucine threshold without heavy meals. Your digestion is gonna feel calm, your body feels fueled, not full. This protein that works with your physiology, supporting muscle, digestion, and daily energy. So showing up strong actually feels doable.